Kamusta mga balibulista? Heto ang game recap result noong April 28, 2024. Tinalo ng Maverick Hard Hitters ang Richmark Spikers 25-21, 25-13, 25-27, 25-20. Best player of the game si Kim Tan sa likod ng kanyang 18 points. Wagi naman ang PGGC Neve kontra sa The Navigators Iloilo 25-19, 22-25, 25-20, 19-25, 15-10. Best player of the game si Peter Kell sa likod ng kanyang 17 points mula sa 15 attacks at 2 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of April 30, 2024. Signal HD Spikers 8 wins 0 loss. Criss Cross Crunchers 7 wins 1 loss. PGGC Navy 6 wins 2 losses. The Navigators Iloilo 5 wins 3 losses. Savage Aesthetics 4 wins 4 losses. Venice Nasty 2 wins 6 losses. Maverick Hard Hitters 2 wins 6 losses. Philippine Air Force Airmen 2 wins 6 losses. Richmark Spikers 0 win 8 losses. Heto ang round robin semifinals game schedule ngayong May 1, 2024 na gaganapin sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Sa first game magtutos ang Criss Cross Crunchers at The Navigators Iloilo alas 4 ng hapon. Sa main game naman magharap ang Signal HD Spikers at PGGC Neve alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.